Hello everyone, this is November 13 question, paper 1-1, and the question number is 19. It's concerned with the chapter periodicity. The question reads, consecutive elements x, y and z are in the third period of periodic table. Element y as the highest first ionization energy, y as the highest first ionization energy, and the lowest melting point of these three elements. What could be identities of x, y and z? So it means this is a deduction based question. The easiest approach for this question would be to draw graphs showing trend of first ionization energy, separate graphs showing trends of first ionization energy and melting point in the third period. First, we'll draw of ionization energy. We have ionization energy here and group 3 elements, no, period 3 elements, The trend is like this: it increases from sodium to magnesium and then decreases slightly from magnesium to aluminum, increases aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus increase, and then from phosphorus to sulfur it again decreases due to spin pair repulsion. Phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, it again increases. The general increasing trend is due to because same number of shells are present while more electron is being added, so greater attraction occurs and more difficult to knock out the electron. Now for melting point we have melting point period 3 elements, melting point and period 3 elements. Melting point increases from sodium to magnesium to aluminum because more number of free electrons are donated to the sea of delocalized electrons, and then it increases dramatically to silicon because it has due to silicon's giant structure, and then from silicon it decreases very rapidly to the non-metals. Now non-metals are phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine. Phosphorus exists as P4, sulfur as acid and chlorine as Cl2, and that means van der Waals force is highest in sulfur, phosphorus is in middle and chlorine is in least. And a thing to note is the melting point for non-metals will always be lower than that of sodium, the metals. So we have phosphorus, sulfur is slightly greater, and then chlorine is least out of these two. So this is the trend. What could be identities of x, y and z? Now we'll consider the options. Option A says sodium, magnesium and aluminum. Magnesium has highest first ionization energy of 3 elements. Yes, true. Lowest melting point, false. Sodium has lowest melting point, so we rule out option A. Second is magnesium, aluminum and silicon. Aluminum doesn't have highest first ionization energy among these. Silicon has highest first ionization energy, so it doesn't satisfy the first, so we don't need to check for the melting point. We'll rule out option B as well. Aluminum, silicon and phosphorus. Aluminum, silicon, aluminum is here, silicon and phosphorus. Silicon is Y, so Y doesn't have highest first ionization energy, so looking at this, answers would be option D, but still we're going to check for it. Silicon, phosphorus and sulfur. Silicon, phosphorus and sulfur. Phosphorus has highest first ionization energy, phosphorus is Y, and checking for the melting points: silicon, phosphorus and sulfur. Silicon is here, phosphorus is here, sulfur is here. So phosphorus has least melting point out of these three, so it satisfies that D is our correct answer.